Nung pumasok yung Duterte, sila talaga yung nagsimula niyan. I remember yung unang fake news sila, yung ginawa raw safest city in the world ni Duterte yung
Ang
Davao.
Davao. So it's fake news.
Of course, kahit yung, kapag tinignan mo, 1,000, sa top 1,000 safest cities, hindi papasok yun eh. Eh dito sa Pilipinas, yun ang most dangerous.
Ang Davao is most
Kasi
dangerous.
number one siya sa murder. Biruin mo yun. And statistics ito ng Philippine National Police. That time when he was mayor.
Okay.
Pero the way they were able to spin it, they made people believe na safe yung Davao. Tayo naman pumunta tayo ng Davao. Compare mo nga yan sa Singapore, kung nasa kalingkingan yan. Eh, hindi. But ganun eh. Yun yung fake news na ni-feed nila. And that time, hindi pa na-fact check, people believed it. So kaya siya naging presidente.